When a mining company clears debt, refreshes leadership, and brings in technical expertise, the question becomes, is this just a reset or the start of a new growth phase? Today, we're looking at Anglesey Mining, its renewed strategy, and how the company plans to advance the Parys Mountain project in Wales. I'm joined today by Andrew Fulton, CEO of Anglesey Mining. Andrew, welcome to the watch list.
Thank you. It's lovely to be here, Ricky.
Thank you for joining us. So tell us, Andrew, you've recently announced James McFarlane as principal geologist, bringing more than 20 years of exploration experience and significant knowledge of VMS deposits. How important is that appointment for Anglesey, and what value do you believe his expertise adds as you move Parys Mountain toward its next stage of development?
No, that's great. He is an exceptional individual and very well experienced, particularly in the space that we're operating in, which is VMS deposits, polymetallic deposits. He's joining not only as a geologist, he's joining to help unlock value. His experience is directly relevant to what we're doing today. And I would say that there's a good soundbite, which is good geology creates good investments. And James is helping us to turn good geology into shareholder value. And alongside the other strengthening measures that we've taken on our board, he follows a succession of strengthening team leadership that is now competent and experienced across geology, engineering, mine development, and project finance. And that's what we're doing. We're building capability to move Parys Mountain forward.
And that technical appointment comes alongside a wider reset for the company, including the elimination of £4 million of debt and a refreshed board. With you now stepping in as CEO, what are you hoping to achieve at Anglesey, and what is the strategy from here? What do you see as the key value underpinning the Parys Mountain asset?
That's right. I've joined during a significant period of change for Anglesey Mining, and I'm really excited to be a part of the team and a part of this opportunity. Throughout my whole career, I've looked at projects around the world, operating, developing, changing, in some cases closing. But it's been difficult to find an asset with such quality and maturity as Parys Mountain that actually remains so underappreciated by the market. We have a substantial resource, a polymetallic VMS resource, which includes a number of different metals, copper, zinc, lead, silver, and gold. And it's all located in the excellent location of the UK. Well, you mentioned North Wales, on the Isle of Anglesey. Excellent infrastructure and a long operating history. So we've got lots of references. We're doing a lot right now, and we're really putting out what we're going to be doing in the future. Now, an asset such as this, in the context of a country like the United Kingdom and in the time that we're in now, when governments are focused on critical minerals, security, and responsible domestic supply, an asset like ours is a compelling foundation. So you're right. We've gone through a lot of transformation. We've removed a lot of debt. We've created a focus now on this one asset, Parys Mountain. And our strategy is straightforward. It's to advance the Parys Mountain development, to build a mine, to grow the mineral resource around the system of deposits that we have within our freehold, which is 100% owned by the parent company, Anglesey Mining. And thirdly is to continue exploration within the district. We still see that there's a significant opportunity of upgrade and upside for the geology. And I think for investors, just to take away, what should they be looking for over the next period? Well, they should be looking at the progression of the geological and technical work that we're doing, the permitting strategies, and every step that we're taking is to reduce uncertainty, increase value as we move Parys Mountain forward towards becoming the next strategically important polymetallic mine, of which in the UK there's already 28 underground operations, and we want to be 29th.
Well, you stole my last question there, Andrew, but thank you for jumping ahead of me there. So this sounds like a company looking to move from transition into execution with a cleaner balance sheet, new leadership, and technical focus, now shaping the next stage at Parys Mountain. Thank you for your time today, Andrew.
You're welcome. Great to be
Once again, that is Andrew Fulton, CEO of Anglesey Mining. For more information on the company and the Parys Mountain project, visit angleseymmining.co.uk. That's all for this episode of The Watchlist. I'm Ricky Lee. Make good choices today.